It what happened? So I coded these transactions and now they're just gone. Like I have no idea. Gone.
It doesn't have to be this way. I'm going to show you how I fixed this because everybody who uses QuickBooks needs a QuickBooks person. Questions come up and you need somebody who knows your business. So the next time something comes up for you, think about hiring one of the people that I train. They're the nicest people in the industry. And I promise you're going to be really glad you got their help. Now here's that fix. Open the gear in the upper right-hand corner and then open the chart of accounts. We are going to search for that account that you've been using that's hiding. So put it here, parking. And yes, this is something that QuickBooks does all the time to people. It's set up as a bank account. What we do is edit this account and change the type from bank to expense. And that way it's going to show up on your profit and loss report.